Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Ubuntu Server 24.04.4 LTS version on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Ubuntu official website, it is ubuntu.com, and download. Click on download Ubuntu, then see here we have the desktop and server. I have already created and uploaded a video for desktop. In this video we are going to download server, so click on server, then click on get Ubuntu server. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is 24.04.4. If you want instant VMs, you have to click on here. Okay, so I want to download ISO, so click on this download Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version. Click on it to download. At a moment download will be started. See, download started. See here its size is about 3.2 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on new or go to machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name UBS, means Ubuntu Server 24.04 VM. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the location where you have the enough space. Select the folder. Then select the downloaded ISO image. See, once we selected OS, change it to Linux, OS distribution to Ubuntu, and OS version. Don't select this, proceed with unrated installation. Then OS version, I am going to select 24.04. Then don't select this, proceed with unrated installation. Then specify virtual hardware. I am giving 4 gigabytes memory. Number of CPU equals 2. Then virtual hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, right click and select settings, or select it and go to settings. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install Ubuntu server, and hit enter. See, we are installing Ubuntu Server 24.04.4 LTS version. Now select the language by using up and down arrows. By default it has selected English. If you are okay with this language, hit enter. Then layout language and variant language. If you want to modify any one of these, use tabs and you can edit. I am okay with the both defaults. So come to done and hit enter by using tabs. Choose the base for the installation, Ubuntu Server or Ubuntu Server minimized. Okay, by default it has selected Ubuntu Server. If you want to Ubuntu Server minimized, come to here. When blinking, just you need to press spacebar. I want to Ubuntu Server, go up and select this spacebar. And if you want to search for third-party drivers, come to here and select it. Just pressing spacebar. I don't want. If you don't want, just again click on spacebar. Then come to done by using tabs from keyboard and hit enter. Wait a moment, it is populating the network information. I am okay with the defaults, hit enter. I don't have proxy server and I don't want to provide, keep it as blank and done. Mirror address, done. This is confirmation, select continue and hit enter. Now guided storage configuration, I want to use an entire disk because this is the fresh installation. Okay, you want to encrypt, come to here, you need to press spacebar. I don't want, select done and hit enter. See, this is the file system summary. If you are okay with this one, select done and hit enter, or if you want to reset, come to second option, hit enter. I am okay with this configuration, select done and hit enter. Confirmation, continue. Now we have to create our setup user. This is the user full name and provide server name EBS 24.04 VM. Later also we can change it. Now we have to pick a username. I am giving username as same, user full name. Then set the password. Confirm the same. remember this password. Later we need this password to log in. Tab, come to done and hit enter. If you want to enable Ubuntu Pro, you have to select it. I don't want, so skip for now. Then continue, hit enter. If you want to install OpenSSH, just select it. I don't want, it is up to you. Okay, then come to done and hit enter. If you want to install feature server snaps, any one of these, you have to come down and you have to select. I don't want, so come to this done and hit enter. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. Then it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation complete. Now use tab and come to this reboot now and hit enter. See here the message, please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Go to this VirtualBox. See here, optical drive is empty. If it is not empty, click on here and remove disk from the virtual drive, then come to virtual machine and hit enter to reboot. Now provide the username, provide the password of this user. See, we have successfully connected. This is the information about this Ubuntu Server 24.04 LTS version. Control L to clear screen. The first step after connecting to Ubuntu Server is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update ampersand sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Ubuntu Server 24.04.4 LTS version on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.